Hi, Jan from Motection. I'm just showing you how to install a wall panel kit in a Peugeot partner, short wheelbase in this case. Same for the long wheelbase, but this is just a short. The panel comes pre-cut, pre-drilled, comes with a clip system with some little screws. Just hang it up like that. Bottom panel, 4 screws, that's all it takes to hang up. Protect the panels in these little vans. Very neat, very tidy. Looks factory because it is. Close the clips. And that's the top door panel. Then the rear section panel. It's just simple. Just goes in like that. Put it on top of the plastic, push it in. Grab a couple of screws. Comes with 2 different style screws. That's the top panels. One more little screw. 4 screws, 5 minutes worth of work. Simple, all pre-drilled, pre-cut. Close the clips. Done. Thank you so much, Jan from Motection. Give us a call if you need any information. Have a good day. Bye.